Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to save a map so you can use it offline. So you press the three lines there on top, and then go to offline maps, and then you see you can select your own map, and then you adjust which map you want to download, and then just press download if you want to download this map. So wait until the downloading is finished. So downloads will continue whenever you're on Wi-Fi and Google Maps is open. And to download over mobile networks, go to offline map settings and you'll be notified when downloads complete. So once it's completed, you can just rename it by pressing the three dots there, and then you rename the map you just downloaded. So for example, and then once I'm done, I just have to press save, and now I can open this without using internet. So you can zoom in, zoom out, and so that's it. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.